हाय गाइज, आई एम माही। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब ठीक है, सेफ है, घर पे है. If you still don't have any important work, then don't go outside. Try to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, so today's video is gonna be all about super cute and comfortable outfits that you can actually wear at home. Before going into the video, I just wanna ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you like this video already because I know आप लोगों को outfits पसंद ही आने वाले हैं. So I have 10 outfits in this video. I thought that I should just make a lookbook and play music behind it. Then I thought last video में भी मैंने ऐसा किया, then I should come here and talk to you, like you know these kind of videos are more connecting. Basically monologue होते हैं because मैं ही सिर्फ बोल रही हूँ, but I think you guys like it. I hope. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. First outfit idea that I have are t-shirt dresses. I mean, who doesn't love t-shirt dresses, right? अभी ये उल्टी है because I have just worn and filmed this video. But t-shirt dresses are so comfortable yet look super cute if you like put a little effort. Like I've paired this necklace. तो थोड़ा सा ये outfit जो है थोड़ा लग रहा है कि you can go outside wearing this also with your sneakers and all. If you have to go to grocery shopping, then you can definitely wear this outfit. It's super cute yet super comfortable and ज़्यादा efforts भी नहीं डाले हमने इस outfit में. I mean, perfect, right? Second outfit idea are maxi dresses. Not the maxi dresses जो मैंने last video में दिखाए थे. Those are like more party appropriate. But something like this, something which is cotton and बहुत ही जो हल्के कपड़े होते हैं ना, जो मज़े आ जाते हैं गर्मियों में पहन के कि अच्छा कुछ पहना ही नहीं है, उस टाइप का फील. But yeah, I love noodle straps. Like अभी इसका नहीं है, but I do love noodle straps. और जो बहुत ही पतले वाले straps होते हैं ना, so I really like them in my tops, in my dresses and all of that. Okay, so I was saying maxi dresses, like get maxi dresses. If you are gonna shop in near future, then go for some comfortable maxi dresses because हमें I don't know, अभी तो कहीं बाहर जाने नहीं वाले हैं हम obviously. तो why not invest in cute summery maxi dress you can actually wear at home. This one is from Sarojini Nagar. I got like really lucky and found this gem in I think $250 or maybe 200. I don't even remember. I just want to go to Sarojini Nagar. एक ही सांस में बोल दिया मैंने सब कुछ. Okay, cool. So you get the idea, right? Invest in maxi dresses that are cute and wearable at home, not in a party. Next outfit that I love to wear at home are rompers. Those are like so comfortable. मैं कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम्हें सिर्फ एक ही clothing का piece पहनना है, which is a romper. You can see how it looks on me in the video. It's very old. I got this one from Cools and it's so comfortable yet super sexy, I think. But पता है आजकल ना वो वाले, आजकल नहीं बहुत टाइम से आ रहा है, but वो जो टी-शर्ट वाला फैब्रिक होता है ना, like very soft टी-शर्ट वाला फैब्रिक, उसमें rompers आते हैं. I'll try to find those and link it down below because I love those. I don't know मैंने अब तक ऐसा कुछ क्यों नहीं लिया है. So as I was saying, जो वो टी-शर्ट वाला फैब्रिक होता है उसमें जो rompers आते हैं, I'll try to find those and link it. Next outfit idea is this one. Shorts with crop top paired with kimono. Look at this kimono. It's so beautiful, right? I got this one from Forever 21 again a long time back, but this is like a very common kimono, floral print और नीचे tassels लगे हुए हैं. ये कहीं भी कोई भी online store में I think मिल जाना चाहिए. So I'll try to find a link to that. Like कुछ भी नहीं है इन outfits में. These are like very comfortable outfits, but still it looks like we have made an effort to look good. I know हमें कहीं जाना नहीं है, but I have seen this. If I dress up, if I do my makeup, so I do automatically feel productive, and I do wanna film. I just wanna do something in my day and don't wanna waste it. So yeah, dressing up and putting like a little effort in your outfits make a difference. And these shorts are from H&M and this crop top is from Shein, but something like ये भी उल्टा है यार. Again, as you can see, it has noodle straps. Try to find some crop tops with noodle straps if I could. Otherwise, you can pair it with a bralette or something, which are like more on the comfortable side, not that much beachy wala bralettes. but you get the idea, right? Which is like very comfortable in wearing with everybody at home. Next outfit idea is joggers. Joggers are super comfortable and are so trendy, look so chic every time you wear it. This one I got like a long time back. This one is from Only and yeah, I love this one. और ये पता नहीं, I think इसको 1.5 साल हो गया है, ये नया का नया लगता है अभी भी. It's such a good quality. So you know, basics में we should always invest money in some big brands or something like that, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा चलते हैं. Like especially ये मैं खुद को भी सिखा रही हूँ, मैं हमेशा white t-shirts ऐसे ही सस्ती सी ले लेती हूँ, but I love white t-shirts, so I should invest in good white t-shirts, like the expensive ones that will not go bad like 2-3 wash के बाद, if you know what I mean. Paired these joggers with this really cute crop top. Again, it has these noodle straps. So I got this crop top from LimeRoad. I will try to find the link because ये काफ़ी पुराना है, but pairing a crop top with your jogger or maybe a t-shirt, उसको knot tie करके बांध लो, that's my go-to. So it looks like really cute and it looks like you have put in some effort in your outfit. So yeah. For the next outfit, I chose this palazzo. ये आई थिंक सबके घर पे होगा बिकॉज ये कुर्ता के नीचे, लाइक हमारे जो कुर्ते होते हैं इंडियन वेयर, उसके नीचे चलता है. इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव इट, आई बेट योर मॉम विल हैव इट इन हर वार्डरोब बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक वेरी कॉमन एंड यू कैन फाइंड इट इन every street market for 200 or 250 bucks. I got this one for 200. This is not pure cotton, but you get like really good quality cotton trousers also. I want to get one of those for me, but for this video I chose this one and I paired it with a peplum top, as you can see in the video. That top is again from Shein, so I don't think I'll be able to link it down below, but I will find a peplum top which will look cute with these sort of plazos. These are super comfortable. ये हमेशा ना पड़े रहते हैं मेरे वार्डरोब में. मेरा एक एथनिक का अलग सा वार्डरोब है, वहाँ पे पड़े रहते थे, तो मैंने सोचा यू नो घर में तो बहुत अच्छे से मैं इसको यूज़ कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक वाइट, वेरी समर फ्रेंडली and the fabric is also like comfortable, so yeah, it's a win-win, right? Next outfit idea is this one that I am wearing. So this is like a crochet crop top. Basically मैंने इसलिए पहना है because I wanted to show you the neckline. इस neckline के crop top आपको बहुत easily मिल जाएंगे. This is something like halter वाला. This is not proper halter because पीछे जाके tie नहीं हो रहा है, but you get the idea, right? What I'm trying to say, this is handmade, made by my nani, and I love this so much. It's so beautiful, and I paired it up with these plazos, these beige colored plazos. These ones I got from LimeRoad. I'll link it down below, so make sure you check it out. Next outfit idea is कुर्ता ड्रेस. अ कुर्ता ड्रेस लुक्स अमेजिंग एंड घर पे पहनने के लिए बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. ये बिल्कुल नया है, एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन से पहले ऑर्डर हुआ था एंड LimeRoad से काफ़ी टाइम बाद आया. सो या दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस प्रिंट इज़ सो समर फ्रेंडली एंड इट, I don't know, this kurti is so beautiful. You can see here in the video. Also I just want to say कि जो भी मैंने ज्वेलरी ऐड किया ना वो ऑप्शनल है. I am not asking you to add jewelry and you know भारी भारी झुमके पहन के घर में बैठो. No, that's not what I wanna say, but I like to do it. That's why I have done it in the video and to give a little extra oomph to the outfit. So I thought I'll add the jewelry also, but it's totally optional. This video is particularly for comfortable outfits. So whatever gives you comfort, you do you. Next outfit idea is with this salwar. Now who remembers सलवार विद अ टी शर्ट? बता सकते हैं मुझे कोई कौन सी मूवी याद आ रही है आपको? ओके, आई टेल यू. जब वी मेट. तो करीना का ये लाइक सिग्नेचर लुक था. बहुत नाइट सूट्स भी एक्चुअली उसके बाद चले थे कि वो सेट ही आता था सलवार और टी शर्ट का, लाइक लॉन्ग टी शर्ट का. बट हियर व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव टाइड द नॉट बिकॉज यू नो आई लव डूइंग दैट. आई डू इट विद ऑल माई आउटफिट्स, विद ऑल माई टी शर्ट्स. सो बेसिकली अगर आपका जो सलवार है वो इलास्टिक वाला है देन ओनली यू कैन अचीव दिस लुक. अदरवाइज वो जो नाड़ा वाला वो होता है, आई हेट दैट. इसलिए मैंने इलास्टिक वाला ही स्टिच कराया हुआ है. आई नो बहुत बच्चों वाला होता है इलास्टिक वाला, बट हेलो, इट्स मोर कम्फर्टेबल. एंड आई रिमेंबर ये मैंने आई थिंक बहुत ही साल भी नहीं याद मुझे, तो आई थिंक 5-6 साल तो हो गया इसको सिलवाए हुए मुझे, एंड इट स्टिल लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल। इसकी जो कुर्ता था वो पता नहीं मैंने किसी को दे दिया है और क्यों, बट आई स्टिल हैव दिस सलवार एंड आई लव टू वेयर इट विद a t-shirt because it looks nice. Again, the jewelry is optional, but I liked it, so I wore it. Next and the last outfit idea are summer dresses. How can we forget summer dresses? Like the short summer dresses, those are super comfortable, super cute, like the cutest, and requires like the least effort, and I love them. Okay, so I have chosen this dress. This is a button down dress. Again, it's from LimeRoad. Recently received it. This is in a small size and it's still a little loose to me, so it's perfect to wear at home because it's super comfortable. Also adding these silver hoops with this outfit because it looks super cute, right? And yeah, this was it for the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed all the outfits and this video. Comment down below कि आपका favorite outfit कौन सा था, and I will mention all the links below that are similar or same to the outfits that I showed. And don't forget to subscribe, please, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.